Hi Serena, I just wanted to share with you a quick video on how to put the pack together, the stand and the pad. In the front, in this pocket, obviously, is the pad. It's, I think, 12 inches, so it's going to be much bigger than the one that you have. Double-sided. This one's more rubbery, this one's more foam, and it's more of a soft sound, so if you're playing and your brothers want you to be more quiet. And there's two parts to the stand. That's the bottom. The top has like little grippy things, but they're black too. Yeah, there you go, there's the top. So, first thing, you're gonna take the bottom and you're gonna pull out the feet. When you get it to the height you want, this wing nut right here, you're just gonna tighten that and set it on the floor. There's another wing nut here. You'll want to loosen that just a little bit because that's where you're going to slide the top part. Now the top will be bent like this to fit in the bag. So you're going to take this one and loosen it so you can turn this up a little bit. Then tighten it back up just briefly here so you can put it in the bottom. And it's going to fit just like this in the bottom. And then you tighten that wing nut up again. This one. Okay, now it's not ready for the pad yet. You're going to take this and loosen it again. And then you're going to pull these out. One more. You adjust it here. You want to be able to fit the pad in the top here. Once you have it where you need it to go, and it's going to grip them, you just tighten this back up. Now that's going to hold the pad firmly. Now see how this is still floppy? You'll want to adjust that. If you're sitting, you'll want to have this at whatever angle is best. Flat is good if you can, but sometimes at an angle. If you can get it flat, great. Then just tighten this wing nut here, and away you go.